So this is the design for the rack. It's printed with the flat faces facing down. For the sides, you have to make sure that it's printing with the chamfered sides face down. And to fit it, at least on my printer, I had to print it with them interlocking so that it all fit on the bed in one single print. To assemble it, we have the chamfered side of the holes facing up, and we assemble it like so. The snap fits just go in and fit together like that, and the other side would go in like that as well. I have another one just to show you what it looks like fully fit together. And the angle dovetails are actually such that you can daisy chain multiple together to make a longer rack. To fit them together, you kind of have to push this one in at a 45-degree angle and this one in at the mirrored 45-degree angle. So it's a little tricky to get in, but once you get it in, it's fine. So what I like to do is I just start off the snap fits, but don't push them fully in, and then slide it approximately into place, and then start pushing them together while engaging the dovetails, and make sure all the snap fits fit together. And now you have the whole thing as one unit. It doesn't come apart no matter which direction you pull, and everything fits together really nicely.